Folks, howdy, Ben Beadle, Chief Exec of the NRLA, here to announce the relaunch of our Landlord Panel. Since its inception, the panel has been an invaluable resource allowing the NRLA to understand the key concerns of its membership, from hearing about what you want to see from a campaign perspective, to thoughts on policy, our website, and even the services that the NRLA provides. Whilst the panel has been performing brilliantly, we're all about innovation here at the NRLA, and in light of this, we've made some improvements to the panel service. These changes will ensure that the voices of our members are at the centre of everything that we do. Our trusted partners at Pegasus Insight are now managing the panel, and even more excitingly, they are doing it in a way that gives you the opportunity to influence the entire private rented sector, and hopefully make a few quid on the side. So if you haven't participated in the Landlord Panel before, there's no better time to join. Just follow the link in the description and fill out the application form. For our existing panellists, you will need to sign up for the new service, so please follow that same link. We look forward to working closely with all of our new panel members as we continue to develop our services over the coming years.